Hi, if you want to use standby mode on your iPhone 16, then put it on a charge first and make sure that it is not an angle but straight in a landscape, this horizontal view and position. And now if you tap on the lock screen once, you'll see the standby mode. So here you can swipe left to see all of the widget this mode provides, and also you can press and hold any widget and edit it. For that, enter your passcode, and now you can replace this old widget with something new. For example, we can remove the weather widget. Just tap here, select that you are removing it. Here we can disable Smart Rotate and we can tap on the plus and add some of the widgets. Let's go in the battery and here add this battery status. Then tap the done button and now it is looking like that. Also, you can swipe up to change those widgets and here do just the same thing. You can also edit this widget on the left side as well. For example, remove this one. And here you can also check the widget suggestions and enable it by tapping on the switcher. We can do it even with the photos. So here we can just change to another folder. You can tap on the plus and check your albums here and then save the changes by tapping the done button. And this is basically the time, so here you can change the style for your time. For example, I'm gonna select this one. And that's how you use your standby mode. But if in your case standby mode is disabled, then you will need to enable it by going in the settings. Here you need to search for the standby and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.